Breaking news for everyone passionate about healthcare, Eritrea's next generation of nurses is here. On March 29th, Barentu Assistant Nursing School celebrated 82 new graduates from its certificate program. These students, members of the 34th and 35th rounds of national service, completed 18 months of rigorous theoretical and practical training. Mr. Thomas Zerimariam, the school's director, extended heartfelt congratulations to the graduates and their proud parents. He reminded everyone of the free educational opportunities provided by the people and government, and urged the new nurses to meet these high expectations. Meanwhile, Mr. Michael Jure, coordinator of assistant nursing schools, highlighted that over 3,645 students have graduated from similar programs across multiple regions, with 58% being female. Their contributions are indispensable to Eritrea's healthcare expansion efforts. A graduate representative affirmed their readiness to serve the community and uphold the trust placed in them. Dr. Berhane Debru, Director General of Planning and Human Resources Development at the Ministry of Health, noted that assistant nurses now make up 40% of Eritrea's healthcare workforce. Barentu Assistant Nursing School, since 2005, has graduated 1,244 students and 126 barefoot doctors, playing a crucial role in shaping Eritrea's healthcare landscape. Congratulations to all the graduates.